The Indiana Department of Child Services is continuing to face financial and staffing problems after the departure of former DCS Director Mary Beth Bonaventura. The agency is hundreds of millions of dollars over budget with more than a month left in the fiscal year. The issues plaguing the child welfare system are impacting the services local communities can provide. Miranda Fulmore reports on how some Monroe County residents are working together in hopes of improving the agency from the ground up.
About 50 residents use their lunch break to attend a Monroe County Youth Worker Cafe hosted by the Indiana Youth Institute. A panel from the county's Department of Child Services, the foster care system, and court-appointed special advocates brainstormed solutions to funding and staffing problems.
So we've seen about 100% increase in the number of children receiving services in our agency from 2015 to March of 2018. We relate that directly to the opioid epidemic. About 90% of the cases that we see have some kind of substance use disorder.
Bullock says one of her office's biggest challenges is employee retention because caseloads are double what they were 3 years ago. And there's not enough foster homes available to meet the growing need. It's a problem that has exhausted the list of foster parents.
And I just respond to those emails now, the 20 plus emails we get a day saying, I have no homes, I have no homes, I have no homes. I don't, there's unfortunately not even a purpose to read them at this point in time because I literally do not have anyone.
It's common for foster families to have 4 to 5 foster kids in their home at one time. The focus is on placing young kids first. A lot of times, teenagers who are older than 16 don't get considered for foster families because they're about to age out of the system. Stepping Stone residential coordinator Melissa Panetto says that's when her organization can step in.
And so our program provides that assistantship, those independent living skills, working with them to pursue their education, their employment, seek the mental health services that they need.
As schools tally unexcused absences at the end of the school year, Bullock says whatever the age, they're preparing for more cases in the coming weeks. For Indiana News Desk, I'm Miranda Fulmore.